Adding YouTube TV to another TV. In this video, you will learn how to add YouTube TV to another TV. So let's get started. First, if you are using a smart TV, if your smart TV supports the YouTube TV app, you can download and install the app directly from the App Store on your TV. Open the App Store on your smart TV and search for YouTube TV. Once you find the YouTube TV app, select it and then choose to download and install it. After that, installation is done, launch the YouTube TV app and sign in with your YouTube TV account credentials. You should now be able to access YouTube TV on your smart TV and stream live TV channels and on-demand content. On the other hand, if you're using a streaming device, if your TV is not a smart TV or does not have built-in support for your YouTube TV, you can use a streaming device such as Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Chromecast or Apple TV. Connect the streaming device to your TV via HDMI. Set up the streaming device according to its instructions. Once set up, navigate to the App Store or Channel Store on the streaming device and search for YouTube TV. Now download and install the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app and sign in with your account credentials. You should now be able to access YouTube TV on your TV through the streaming device. That's all. That's how you can easily add YouTube TV to another TV.